Uh, alright guys, so the last episode or part or segment, I don't know what I did with the footage. So that part kind of fucked me up, especially with the brooch and the little girl.
Was it really hard?
Yeah.
Mummy,
Yeah, I'm sorry, little girl. And the pig. But yeah, now we're kind of back at it. What is it? I did get the Kirk hammer. Which I think is going to be a really fun weapon to use. Except I am 2 strength under, so yeah, we'll have to see. Off screen, I also did pick up the hunter garbs and hunter stuff. So here, let me put it on. It's not bad, but I can't really tell the difference between this and the outfit that I bought from the little merchant fetuses over there. Yeah, that's fine. I'll just keep the Gascoigne outfit on for now. All right, let's go back to murdering things. Open sesame. Do they have mimics in this place? Oh, let's find out. Nope. Blood Gem Workshop Tool. Oh! I can finally upgrade. Ooh, cutscene. Am I in a church? Cemetery. What? Cathedral. Okay, so it is a... What the hell are you? Oh, whatever.
Oh, you must be a hunter.
Yeah.
Very sorry. The incense must have masked your scent.
Dude, I love incense.
Good, good. I've been waiting for one of your ilk.
Ooh, what are you gonna give me?
These hunts have everyone all locked up inside.
Yep.
Waiting for
Everyone's
it to
yelling
end.
at me.
It always does. Always has, you know. Since forever. But it won't end nicely. Not this time. Even some folks hiding inside are going bad.
Sucks for them.
The screams of women folk, the stench of blood, the snarls of beasts. None of them's too uncommon now.
So are you fine?
Yarnum's done for, tell ya. But if you spot anyone with their wits about them, tell them about this here Erden Chapel. They'll be safe here. The incense wards off the beasts.
Oh!
Spread the word. Tell them to come on over. If you wouldn't mind.
Okay, it seems like you're a little mad, but this place is a safe haven. Is that what you're saying?
Oh, and I do sincerely hope they are.
I can't tell if you're going to kill me or you're just weird, but it's okay either way. Knock, knock.
So what is it now? Are much better ways to pass the time. Unless you found me a nice, safe place.
I finally have.
Well, what do you know? An outsider worth a lick of salt. Well, don't just stand there. Don't you have work to do? Go slit some throats. Get this mess done with.
Yes, ma'am. What the hell? She's sitting... Is she sleeping? Wait. Oh my god, she actually has eyelids. I thought because she was a doll, she didn't have any of that. Nope. I'll just let her sleep.
Ah, the hunter. Thank you.
Oh.
To that old girl, you told her about this place, right?
Yep.
Well, I'd rather see her
Oh,
alive
shit.
anyhow.
Triumph. Alright, see you later, buddy. Oh yeah, there you are.
Oh no. I haven't forgotten. Do you think I owe you something?
Maybe.
Well, that's a fine lark, I'd say. This old mess that Yarnum's in, it's all your fault. You put it to the outsiders.
Eh.
Our blood's ruined. tainted by
Tainted.
Don't you come near me. I know you.
Well, then give me something. Nothing?
You. Stay away from me. I know all your tricks. You. I know.
I let you come to this place and you won't even give me money? Maybe I should just murder you. No. No, I already fucked one old lady. I don't need to fuck another. What the hell are you? Damn, you were one scary motherfucker. Madman's knowledge. Give me that sweet insight, baby. Oh god, another scary motherfucker. Woo! Okay, there's two of them. Oh! Frames! Frames! Wooden shield. Why would I ever need a shield? Can I open this? Nope. God, this place is so nice looking. Giant ass clock tower too. What the hell? Alright, to the left I go. To the left, to the left. Oh, I thought this was a treasure chest. Don't be fooled. Ooh, a top hat. Yeah. What? What? What is going on? What the hell just happened? Oh, dude, I am so fucking confused right now. Hold on, let me put on the top hat. Yes. What else did he give me? I actually look pretty good. I'm not trying to look good though. And yeah, there we go. I'm just Gascoigne, but with a top hat. Oh, that is a big motherfucker. Can I parry this guy? What does this lever do? What? Huh. Why would you want this? What do you do? Woo! God! Oh, that was fast. I was trying to parry him. Can I even parry him? I don't think so. Only a special emblem opens the main gate. I think I'm getting worse at the game. Fucking bro. I'm guessing this guy jumped off. Yeah. Monocular. Not a hunter tool. With simple antique. So this is definitely just to just for using to use your time for hidden path. This is not a hidden path. Oh, so you can jump in this game. Oh god, this guy has a fucking ball and chain. Oh my fucking god. was actually a lot easier than I thought it was gonna be. Thank God he only had like one moveset. Time for contact. What does that even mean? Damn, look at that sun, bro. They had to have done this on purpose, right? It's just... I broke all the vases and there's nothing here. What? Tempering blood gemstone. Blood gem that fortifies weapon and adds various properties. Ooh. Clothes. Man, every time I look at Bloodborne, everything looks so nice. Like, even compared to a lot of other FromSoft games. Ooh, that's a lot of enemies. Did he burn to death? What is this place? A tomb? This place gives me the most eerie feeling. Boss fight? You little bastard. He didn't attack me. That was weird. Hell yeah. There are 2 dogs. Alright, attack first. Oh, I knew I was gonna get it. Have audience with High Spot and remember Nightmare. High Spot? This thing? Oh, a tree. Open door. Now, what horrors await me? Oh. Cool. Ooh, yeah, baby. Time for donation. Is he a holy man? Because I fought the cleric bees, and he was pretty sure he was pretty holy. Hello?
You're a beast hunter, aren't you?
Yes.
I knew it.
Ooh,
That's
you're a handsome
precisely how I
lad.
started out. Oh, beg pardon. You may call me Alfred.
Don't mind the blood.
Protégé of Master Ligarius, hunter of vile bloods.
What the hell's a vile blood?
So, what say you? Our prey might differ, but we are hunters, the both of us. Why
Interesting.
not cooperate and discuss the things we've learned?
Are you the Solaire of this game?
Oh, very good. Very good indeed. Take
Jolly
this
cooperation.
to celebrate our acquaintance.
Fire paper. And
Beast
pray.
hunting is a sacred practice. May the good blood guide your way.
Thanks. Applies fire to weapons when rubbed. Ooh, thanks.
There must be oodles for us to share. Go on. Just tell me what piques your interest.
Oh. Healing Church.
As you know, the Healing Church is the fountainhead of blood healing.
Okay.
Well, I'm a simple hunter, quite unfamiliar with the ins and outs of the institution. But I have heard that the holy medium of blood healing is venerated in the main cathedral, and that counselors of the old church reside in the high stratum of the cathedral ward. If
Okay.
you seek blood healing, and the church is willing, you should pay them a visit.
So I should murder everyone in the church. Got it. That was Byrgenworth.
Bergenworth is an
Oh,
old
Bergenworth.
place of learning, and the tomb of the gods, carved out below Yharnam, should be familiar to every hunter. Well, once a group of young Bergenworth scholars discovered a holy medium deep within the tomb.
Holy, you
This
say?
led to the founding of the Healing Church and the establishment of blood healing. In this sense, everything sacred in Yharnam can be traced back to Bergenworth. But today, the college lies deep within a tangled wood, abandoned and decrepit. And furthermore, the Healing Church has declared Bergenworth forbidden ground.
Oh
It's
my.
unclear how many of its scholars remain alive, but only they know the password that allows passage through the gate.
So I need to find the password.
As you know, I bid you farewell. It has been a pleasure.
Well, thanks a lot, dude. Alfred. Nice chops. Time to go down the tomb. Ugh, man. This gives me the most eerie feeling. Oh. Goes even deeper. And it's really dark. hate dealing with those things. Reminiscent of trap, therefore beware of thrust attack. Oh god, I'm gonna get butt fucked. Okay, great. Light it up. Wondrous fatty. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna go level up first. I think I have enough to use the Kirk hammer. What up, baby?
Welcome home. What is it you desire? Very
More
well.
leveling.
Let me stand close.
I don't understand why I always have to shut my eyes. Who are you thinking of? What's his name?
Farewell, good. May you find.
Thanks, babe. Oh, yeah. That looks nice. And then the... Oh my god, that is so heavy. Ooh. Oh, buddy. Okay, so... I got the workshop tool. Wait, what? Didn't I get the workshop tool? Yeah, blood gem workshop tool. What? The workshop tool required for this task is missing. So shouldn't I be able to use it? Oh, hey, you're back.
The moon is close. It will be a long hunt tonight. If the beasts loom large and threaten to crush your spirits, seek a holy chalice, as every hunter before you has. A holy chalice will reveal the tomb of the gods, where hunters partake in communion.
I understood none of that.
Most of the holy chalices lie deep within the tomb of the gods, and the few that found their way to the surface were lost again in the hands of men. But if the old hunter tales remain true, one of the holy chalices is worshipped in the valley hamlet.
Okay.
Yet the town is in disarray. It was burned and abandoned for fear of the scourge. Home now only to beasts. The perfect place for a hunter, wouldn't you say?
So I have to find this valley and find the chalice.
One of the holy chalices, a town of beasts.
So can you tell me why the workshop's not working? 240 for quicksilvers? Okay, so I need to save up for the lantern and I need to save up for this key. Alright, let's try this baby out. Where am I going? Town is long abandoned. Hunter's not wanted here. Ah, fuck you. So many people burned at the stake.
There. Hunter! Didn't you see the warning?
I did.
Turn back at once. Old Yarnum, burned and abandoned by men, is now home only to beasts. They are of no harm to those above. Turn back, or the hunter will face the hunt.
Nah. You know what? I should probably, Who are you? Oh, interesting. It uses much less stamina and it's much faster, but does way less damage. Ooh, I'm getting fucking frame drops. Now, how do I get there? The hell is that? Beware of ambush. Actually, you know what? Let's try the hammer out. Oh my god, this is such a fucking Havel weapon. Oh yeah, there's one. So much R1 spam with this sword. Alright, well. Tally ho. Old blood dude. That's it? And yeah, let's trek forward. Oh my god. Came out of fucking... Oh no. R1 spam. They keep giving me something. I think it's poison. Fucking asshole. I heard you too. Jesus, I am completely soaked in blood.
Adept, merciless.
Hell yeah. Take a step forward. Is there actual treasure? Oh yeah, hey. This guy's bigger, isn't he? Whoa, that was a long one. Hmm? Oh, I do have a thrust. Either here or over here. Beware of Watcher. I don't know what that is. Oh! What was that? Fire? Is it? Wait. Where's my binoculars? Or monocular? It's a machine gun. Oh, no. Oh my god, I almost fucking died there. Because I don't know how to use a monocular. Why am I doing that? Oh my god. Oh, I kind of want to go back, but that fucker is just shooting at me the whole time. Alright, you know what? Here, I'm going to go forward. Where's the machine dude? Okay, so you can't see me here. Oh, whoa, those do a lot. Nope. So I need to kill that guy if I want all the loot here. Woo! Where's the machine gun? Stealth waits ahead. I don't. Ow! I don't even know how to crouch. Can I even crouch? Ooh! I gotta stay behind this fucking tree. Oh, because I have fire. No. Okay, in here. Okay, since you guys are scared of fire, I can just beat on your ass. Oh man, this place is crawling with fucking enemies. Gotta get out. Finding behind this fucking tree. I don't exactly want to deal with you. He's right above me. There's an item over there, though. Okay, you know what? Here, I could just run towards it. Get it. Jump, or roll. God damn, those fucking rounds. Okay, so what is ahead of me?
Hello there.
Okay, that's a hunter. Why do you keep backing up, man? Oh my god, he has a lot of HP. Okay. I can do this. You just step in fire? He's stepping in fire. What? Can I not parry him? Do I just have to stun lock him? Oh, he fucking heals too. God, he fucking hurts. I'm fucking dead, aren't I? I gotta fucking run from him. Time for friends or time for blood? What does that mean? Wait. I'm going pretty high. Is this where the fucking machine gun bitch is? Dude, fuck this person. I will fuck this person up.
What a thrill.
Wait. Is that a boss? He's looking directly at me. Alright. Alright, inaccurate. Time to fucking shut up or put up. Oh my god, he's so strong.
Give some thought.
He's so strong. Next to the fireplace? Oh my god. So, I was wondering what the hell the Blood Gem workshop tool did. And I had to look this up. So apparently there's a workshop right next to the fire. And I always assumed it was this memory altar. But it wasn't. I could just use this. And then I can fortify and repair and Blood Gem. God damn it. Ooh, it goes up by 10 every single time. Okay, I think I could probably take on that fucking machine gun bastard now. And just keep running. Woo! Well, there goes all my fucking... Oh, there's a ladder there. Roll, roll. Roll. Run. Okay. Up the ladder, up the ladder, up the ladder. Thank God I actually found that shortcut. Okay. So I need to see if I can sneak up to him and maybe just like push him off. Because this little bitch needs to fucking die.
What a thrill.
Why does he turn? Why does he turn around? Alright.
I should think you still have
What the
dreams.
fuck, dude?
Well, the next time.
He stun locked me to
Give some
fucking
thought.
nothing. He's already fucking looking at me. You gotta be joking. Oh my!
I should think you still have dreams. Well,
How the fuck are
next
you
time
supposed to beat this guy?
give some thought.
Because I feel like what you're supposed to do is that you're supposed to push him off the fucking place. Come on. Come on. What? Alright. You gonna follow me? Oh! Okay, so he doesn't follow me. Come on, over here. Get off the fucking... Get off the fucking thing! Oh my god! Fuck you! Oh my god. Is he dead? Please tell me he's fucking dead. Can I destroy this? Can I at least have it? I feel like he's still alive. Nope, nope, I see his dead body there. Oh my god. Can't see. Alright, I gotta fucking run away, because I gotta get the fucking crow out of there. There we go. Oh, what? I'm gonna fucking die. God damn, this is fucking intense. I haven't said anything in like such a long time. Gritty. There we go. Just R1 spam the whole way. Bone marrow ash? Additional medium that strengthens quicksilver bullets. Oh, cool. Oh, so if I increase my firearms, they'll be able to parry better. You know what? That kind of explains it. What the? Get off the ladder! God damn it. Oh my god, why is there more platforming in a Souls game? Why, FromSoft, why? The controller, man. Madman's knowledge? Give me that fucking insight. Holy. Slowly. I almost walked off the edge there. There's an item over there. Okay, so I can't make it over here. I can at least make it... No! No! Why did it go that far? Why would it ever go that far? What? You're hitting me from the ground? That's fucking bullshit, dude. Oh, I should go down here. There we go. Molotov. Ugh. Cocktails, really? Why the hell not? What the hell? Oh my god, how many are there? Whoa, did it just regen health? Oh, okay. I could definitely jump this. Okay. No! Wait, I didn't heal. Oh, I can land on that. Perfect. What? Is that a boss? Well, as long as I don't take whatever is from this fucking altar, I guess. Madman's knowledge. Hell yeah. Give me that inside. Cause, dude, look at this fucking thing. This thing has to be like a boss, or was a boss. This thing's fucking huge. All right. Guess I'll just take it, right? Ritual blood. Oh, is this a shortcut? Oh, this. Oh, that's nice. Oh my god. Woo! No! Oh, I'm alive. No, what? I almost have it. Just hold on, guys. Yes! Hell yeah! Dude, that was like the 4th or 5th time. Bloody messenger head bandage. What is this? Inhabitants of the stump appear to have an interest in it. Oh, this is for the stump people, or stump fetuses. Why not let them happy and be reveled as babes? Wondrous hunting. Hell yeah, dude. How do I upload something? This is a fine note. Yep. This is a fine fucking note. You're alive? Fucking dog crow thing. Oh, bird. Oh, bird. Malformed thing waits ahead. Time for fire. Over here? Interesting. I thought he was gonna make a butthole joke there because he's bending over. Oh god, not another. Dude, I don't have any fucking fire though. All right, give me the fire paper. There we go. It's not open from this side. Okay, so I have to go that way. Woo! I don't know why I just made that sound. God, this place makes me all fucking jumpy. Over here. Whoa, what the hell? Dude. Oh, there's a fucking werewolf up there. Nah, bruh. Behind you. Yeah, too late for that. Where does this lead? Oh, this place. Okay, that's good. That's good. Hey, his stuff is here. Powder Keg Hunter Badge. What is that? The late Powder Kegs, bless their souls, had a motto. If a weapon ain't got kick, it just ain't worth it. Understandable. Oh, I forgot to go to the stump thing. Oh, no! Dodge, 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 dodge. Give accessories to messengers and they will obediently adore them. Give you the bandage. Well, aren't they just adorable? Where's that guy going? What the hell? Did you fucking see that? Ooh, what is that thing? Is he a mini boss? Nope, that's a boss. Woo! He had a lot more attacks than I thought he would. Okay, camera. Not doing a ton of damage to him. Where? What? How do you keep going so far? Oh my god, you have a huge lunge attack. Wait, what the hell did you just do to me? You only allow me to hit you once? What the hell, dude? You got so much HP. The hell did you... Okay, so I need to dodge a little farther. How did that not hit me? Oh my god. Out of 4 attacks, only 1 hit. Come on. Come into the open area. Second base. You fucking only let me attack you once. Woo! That was my bad. Oh no! What are you doing to me? Slow poisoning. What? I was doing so good the whole time and then he just one-shots me? Maybe I should use the hammer. He gets hit once and then he moves. He one-shots you, dude. Yeah, that's what bothers me the most. Only 67, huh? Okay, did not think that was a dash. Poison. Damn it. I don't have time to deal with the poison. Oh god! How? How? He has 3 phases? Okay, so I definitely need the antidote because I can't keep blowing through. What the fuck, dude? This is a fucking hard boss. Oh, right. Poison. Fucking poison, dude. Ow. Fucking pillar. Oh, with a grab. So fucking no! Okay, so it's third phase now. Probably gonna die here. Wait, so he just causes... The closer you get... Fucking... a poison aura? What kind of fucking boss was that, dude? Oh my god, that was so difficult. Just being near it will fuck you up. Yeah, I'm not even like really happy about killing that boss. It was just... fuck that boss, dude. Fuck its ass. Alright, guys. I think I'm gonna stop the episode here. I don't know if this is too long of an episode or whatever. I did go through a lot. Killing shit, killing those hunters, but... yeah. Fuck that boss, dude. I think I died like 4 or 5 times on it, too. And its attacks were very... its attacks had, like, easy wind-up, too. So, like, you could predict what it's gonna do. And all you had to do was pretty much just dodge to the right. But it still just one-shots you and fucking... poisons you. It really makes you feel bad to fight against it. But yeah, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, whatever, it doesn't matter. And yeah, see you later. Bye.